how on the children to do this year, the Queen Quet head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation, the founder of the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition. Me so glad that Hannah children to tune in for this year episode. And me so glad for tell Hannah this year, right there on her face, yeah? I am a Together Green fellow. Now don't laugh, that's what it's called. No, I'm not a fella, I'm still a lady. But I'm part of the Together Green class of 2012, selected from across the U.S. and of course here in the Gullah Geechee Nation by Toyota and Audubon. Yes, the people that love the birds. Yes, we are all working together to make sure that the environment is more enhanced, more enriched, more restored so that it is maintained for future generations. So there are 40 of my classmates, me and 39 others that make up the class of 2012 for Together Green with Toyota and the Audubon. So part of my project is going to be Gullah Geechee, the Sea, and me. And we're going to have Gullah Geechee Family Days coming up very soon. Part of the first one is going to be with the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. So Friday, August the 3rd, 2012, 100 children have a joint. We point at East Store Island. We at a store scenic byway and things like that. From Shri, the 6th we did it and going all through the island so 100 can get it more. But the Gullah Geechee, the Sea, and we. And then we are coming to Hunting Island for Labor Day. So 100 children have a join me on Hunting Island Labor Day. That Monday now, we gonna do it from noon until about 6 o'clock in the evening. Gonna have one fish fry, gonna have thing for the children on boat, but going inside the nature center for beauty, quarter and all the other rest of creature and things like that. And 100 can get it plenty about we and the sea. So definitely make sure to email me at GULLGEECO@AOL.com so you can get on my mailing list so you can be part of our Gullah Geechee Family Days and especially be part of this journey for Gullah Geechee, the Sea, and me. Peace and blessings.